Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with a very quick one on the best way to go about separating parts of a pre-existing design. Now, what I mean by this is basically, say for example, we have got this bow ribbon, swag swash thing, and we want to separate out the bow. One way that we could go about this is by dragging on another shape, resizing it, and then selecting both and dividing it, and then getting rid of the rest of the bits and pieces. But that's not so precise. We've still got these little bits of stuff on the edge. So whichever way you go about this, even if I were to say for example decrease this in size, move this shape over here and then chop that through, we've still got that little weird bit hanging on to the end. Now there is a better way of doing this. Let me just zoom back out, delete that and get on the ribbon again. And it's basically path editing. So what we will do is zoom in. If the shape is already selected, I click it once to enter the path editing mode. If it's not already selected, then I double click. And basically you'll see all these little dots and points that make up the cutting information. It might look like this with extra handles, but so that we've got a clear view of just the nodes, we are going to click on this little box next to where it says hide control points. Now we could sort of go in here and then delete those points, but we then end up with a weird thing here. So it will be better if we select this point, click open outline, and then delete those points. Then select this point again and click close. And the same for this side. We're going to click open. In fact, no, not that one. The one that leads away across here. Click open. Then select these two. Then hold down the shift key on your keyboard and drag a big selection box around the rest. Click minus. Select that node in there again. Let me just zoom in so you can see what's going on. And then click close outline. Now you've got a much better shape. It's still slightly weirdy here because some of these might not be a curved shape. So we're going to select them and then click on curve. Click straight, click curve again. And that means we can then manually play with the control points and just curve those out a little bit so that it is a more natural curve. And I think, oops, get that one back. Maybe if I actually get rid of this one and this one, and then make sure I've got a curve here. And there we go. A nicely separated bow from the main body of that border that we saw. It's just a quick tip, but it's very useful if you've got all these things like the bear, the waves and things, and you want to separate out individual parts. I hope it comes in useful at some point in the future. In the meantime, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.